Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change theme in your WordPress website. So very simple and basic way. Firstly, guys, you need to log in your WordPress dashboard. Then here, walk cursor to appearance. Then click on theme. So here you will see your installed theme, and also you can select another one. Click on add new, and here you will see a large amount of themes. Select which you like this one. So install it. Then activate. Now visit this page. So as we can see now, theme is different. So this is the basic way, guys, to change theme in WordPress website. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like, and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.